Hello and welcome to Ms. Shaw's math learning video for Tuesday, September 22nd. So we will be on activity 2. Remember to practice subitizing, judging the number of objects in a group rapidly, accurately, and confidently without counting them. So here are some ways to practice, or you can search subitizing on YouTube. So yesterday we worked with making a set of objects onto a 10 frame. And our objective today is we will be able to read, write, and match numbers up to 10. So once again, these next slides will be interactive, and so you're going to need to be into this mode, not in present mode. So you cannot be like this, showing your entire screen, because that will not let you move around the pieces. Okay, so your job today is to read, write, and match numbers up to 10. So I'm going to show you 2 examples, and then your job is to finish the examples. It says there are blank cookies. How many cookies are inside the jar? Type your answer above. Here is where you're going to type your answer. So your first step is to look at the jar and see how many cookies are inside by counting them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I am going to now type the number 4 into the blank using my computer number key. So there are 4 cookies in the jar. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you would move on to the next. There are blank cookies. I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to click on this square, and when I see that it has the little blue squares, that means I can type my answer. And I will type the number 7 because there are 7 cookies in the jar. You are going to go through all of these slides on your own, counting each number of cookies and typing them into this box. That is your job for today. If for some reason you are not able to do the interactive slide, you can always take a picture of yourself drawing the number of cookies. So if you wanted to put it on a piece of paper, you could draw 4 cookies and write the number 4 next to it. And that is what we are working with for math on Tuesday. Recognizing numbers 1 through 10 and quantities, and writing or typing the number that matches the quantity of cookies in the picture.